Hi, everybody. So today we're going to talk about how to set up a Facebook fundraiser for a nonprofit. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And to have a Facebook business page, you have to be, you have to have a personal page. And now I'm already on the Afghan Partners in Iowa Facebook page, which is the one I'm going to use to set this up. And uh, so to set this up, right now I'm viewing it as an individual. So the first thing I need to do is switch into the page. And you see that you can switch right here. But the way I usually switch is to go up here to my profile icon, and I'm going to just switch right there. So I've done that, and here's all the information in that about the page. But I'm going to because I'm not seeing the option to post a status, I'm going to hit the Facebook icon to get me back where I want to be. Uh, I can see I can see here that I can post a status, so I'm just going to click right there. I can type whatever I want to type. I can put in the hashtags I want to use. I technically could put in web links. I usually don't. That does seem to cause problems sometimes, at least in my experience. You can tag people. You can add your location. You can add photos. I always add a photo. Photos seem to be, my understanding is that helps the algorithm. But the most important thing is to click those little dots that I just clicked there in the right-hand corner. And at this point, you can see all the things that you can do with this post. But what we want to do is we're going to want to raise money, and so we're going to raise money. Click that option. Now, I've already searched for Afghan Partners in Iowa, but if there's an organization that you want, you can search it here. But I'm going to go ahead and just click Afghan Partners in Iowa. It's going to fill in. I'm going to go ahead and click Next. So here we can select who we want to be able to see the post. I always set this to public. You don't have to. You can definitely have it be private. You can definitely have it just be the people, your friends in that. Once you do that, you hit done. Then obviously you can boost the post to to do paid advertising or whatever, and then you simply hit post, which I'm not going to do in this case. If your organization is set up as a nonprofit, you can definitely you get paid out a little faster. It'll be direct deposited. Uh, if you're not, the process does take a little longer. Uh, but if you're going through this process, more than likely you're set up properly. That's another process, but and that process does change, as does this process. I've seen this process change over the years. So just because this is the way it is right now does not necessarily mean that in 6 months or a year or whatever it may be, that the process is the same. But there's a quick overview, and if it does change, I've never seen it change that much. So happy fundraising, and I wish everybody uh, good luck.